Hey beautiful learner. Welcome to English with Emma. I'm really happy you're here today, because this lesson will help you slow down, listen carefully, and speak clearly. I know learning English can feel difficult sometimes. Maybe you understand words but people speak too fast and you can't follow. But don't worry, today's lesson is made just for you. We'll go slowly sentence by sentence. You'll hear me first and then you'll repeat after me. This is called shadowing. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only speak better English, you'll feel more confident inside. So take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders, and let's start your English journey together. Before we begin shadowing, I want to remind you of something important. Learning English is not about being perfect, it's about progress. Every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes mean you're trying, and that's how we grow. So repeat after me slowly and with confidence. I can learn English. I am improving every single day. I am patient, confident, and proud of my journey. Beautiful. You sound wonderful already. Now let's move into our listening and speaking practice. We'll go section by section, each with gentle repetition and slightly longer sentences for better rhythm. I know you can do it, beautiful learner. Let's practice some morning routine sentences. I wake up early every morning and take a moment to stretch my body. I slowly open the window and feel the fresh air on my face. I brush my teeth carefully, and rinse my mouth with clean water. I wash my face with cool water to feel fresh and awake. Great learner. You're doing it great. I believe in you. Let's practice some work and study sentences. I go to work or school with a positive attitude. I prepare my books, pens, and everything I need before I start. I study English every day because practice makes me better. I listen carefully when my teacher speaks, and I try to understand every word. I take short notes so I can remember what I learn. I ask questions when I don't understand something, and that helps me grow. I believe that every minute I study brings me closer to my dream. Good work, you are doing great. Now let's practice. Talking to friends. Sentences. Now repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly, just like a native speaker. I meet my friends and greet them with a big smile. I say, "How are you today?" And they smile back and say, "I'm fine, thank you." We talk about our day, our plans, and the things we love. Sometimes we laugh together about funny stories. When we say goodbye, I always tell them, "See you soon, my friend." Positive mindset and motivation. Sentences. I am learning something new every single day. I am becoming better and more confident in English. I am proud of myself for not giving up. I can speak English with confidence and joy. I believe in my ability to grow and succeed. At home and relaxing. Sentences. After a long day, I come home and take off my shoes. I sit down, breathe deeply, and relax for a few minutes. I prepare a simple dinner and enjoy every bite. I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I take a warm shower and feel fresh again. I listen to soft music or watch an English video. Sometimes I read a short English story before bed. I talk with my family and share something good about my day. I write one sentence in my English journal before I sleep. Finally, I go to bed early and thank myself for trying today. Great work, champ. If anything missing, let me know in the comments. You did it. You practiced English today very good. Subscribe if I gave you some knowledge. You listened, repeated, and improved your speaking today. Remember, every time you shadow and repeat, your brain becomes stronger. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Don't compare yourself to others, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Be proud of how far you've come. You are becoming the kind of person who keeps going no matter what. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English with Emma. There's a new video every day, full of love, learning, and confidence. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm Emma, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay kind, stay curious, and keep smiling.